My name's Nico Albert, and I'm a Cherokee Nation citizen, and I live in Tulsa, Oklahoma. Okay, so what I'm making today is a salad made with some traditional ingredients that the Cherokee people would use. You just tear up these watercress leaves a little bit and toss them in with the spring greens. In the summertime, strawberries are great. In the wintertime, you can make this salad with apples. And just add some of these blueberries, some of these pecans for crunch. And the easiest part of the salad is actually the dressing. Really, all you have to do is 1 part of vinegar to 3 parts of oil. And I love making this dressing at home, especially with kids, because they can help out. With a good apple cider vinegar, you don't even really need any seasoning. Just shake it up, and you've got a nice emulsified dressing. And there's your mason jar salad dressing. Pour a little bit over the top of that. And you've got a perfect, fresh, healthy salad made with traditional ingredients.
Otoe, Shannon Andrews and Diana Key. I'm a dietitian and a nutrition coordinator for the Otoe-Missouria Tribe Health Department. Through our continued collaboration with Oklahoma Travel Engagement Partners, we'll be bringing you the Not Our Destiny recipe series. Follow along as we show you how to make easy and healthy recipes the whole family will enjoy. Remember to complete a survey to receive an incentive. Hinwaru Jaywi, Ta, Torigun.
Follow along as we show you how to make strawberry field salad. For this recipe, you will need 4½ cups of spring or mixed greens, 1 cup of strawberries cut in half, ½ a cup of blueberries, 1/4 cup of pecan halves, these are optional. For the dressing, you will need 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar and 3 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. Start by adding spring greens to a large bowl. Next, add strawberries, blueberries, and if you're using them, pecans. The Otoe word for strawberry is hoshje. Indigenous peoples of North and South America have enjoyed strawberries for hundreds, maybe even thousands of years. Wild strawberries are smaller and sweeter than the berries we find in stores. Traditionally, time was connected to and based on nature's cycle. For Native American tribes in the eastern part of the North American continent, June is also known as the strawberry moon, because strawberries start to ripen during that moon cycle. In a small bowl or a jar with a lid, add vinegar and oil. Whisk or shake to combine dressing. Make this recipe using what you have at home. Instead of strawberries and blueberries, try apple or orange slices. Fresh vegetables could also be used. Try tomatoes, cucumbers, carrots, and/or onions. Drizzle dressing over the salad just before serving. Enjoy!